All right, y'all. After going back over it again, that magnet was definitely the problem. This Procure stuff, man, I tell you what, I'm glad I found that guy on YouTube. Uh, that stuff it's where it's at. So I didn't turn it on or anything. I did had to go back in and get the sandpaper and kind of get some of that glue out that got on the magnet. But other than that, listen, exactly, don't hear nothing. Now before that, you could hear the crunching noise, it was grinding and everything else. That's sealed, man. That's it. I did have to go back and put the gasket sealer stuff back on here, made sure everything was good to go. But I'm going to give this till tomorrow and I'll let y'all know exactly how it goes. I want to make sure this stuff's cured all the way. I want to count my chickens before they hatch, but it about look like I'm already doing it. But other than that, y'all, I mean, I can't wait to use her again for next go round. I appreciate y'all looking at this video. Till next time, Jungle Vulture out. That's what it is right here. You can go on Amazon and find the same exact one. So what you'll be needing.